The Download Center has been recently updated to make it easier to transfer the embroidery files to your computer. First, we need to know which files to send you. Start by selecting your embroidery machine from the list. You will then see the file formats which are compatible with your machine. If you would like additional formats, you can add them from a list. You never need to worry that you have picked the wrong format. You can always return to the Download Center. If you ever purchase a new machine in the future or lose your designs, simply return to the Download Center and get the designs in the format of your choice. The designs are listed by order number. The current order is automatically selected, but I can choose a previous order to download if I like. The designs for this order are listed below. I can download each file individually, or I can get them all at once in a zip file. I'm going to click on this file to download it. What happens next depends on which internet browser I'm using. Google Chrome immediately downloads the file and places an icon of the file below the status bar. I can drag the file to a folder of my choice. The file is also automatically saved in your Downloads folder. There is usually a shortcut to your Downloads folder in your Favorites. From there you can open it in your embroidery software or move it to a folder of your choice. If you are using Internet Explorer, you are prompted to save the file. The prompt will appear at the bottom of the screen, as a dialog in the center of the screen, or a yellow bar at the top of the screen. It is best to use the Save As option. That way you can choose where to put your embroidery file. For you Firefox users, clicking on the download link will prompt you to open or save the file. It's usually a bad idea to select Open, because Windows usually doesn't know what to do with an embroidery file, unless you have special software installed. We are going to select Save. The embroidery file will immediately transfer to the Downloads folder. Notice the message at the lower right of your screen. You can get to your files by selecting the download icon up here and opening the folder. Another way to get to your Downloads folder is to follow the shortcut, usually listed among your favorites. Older browsers may vary in how the user is prompted to download the file or where the file is stored. If you are not being prompted to save the file, we suggest that you try a different web browser or update your existing browser. You should now have the embroidery file saved on your computer. What you do next depends on the embroidery machine or what embroidery software you have installed on your computer. If you have ever stitched out anything on your embroidery machine, you are probably familiar with transferring an embroidery design to your machine. Many machines will read a USB memory stick. You can get the design to your machine by copying your embroidery file and then pasting it to your memory stick. You may also have a Send To option, which copies the file to your memory stick in one step. Other machines require software to transfer the design, either through a cable or to an embroidery card reader-writer. If you have embroidery software on your computer, start by running the application. Choose File and Open or Import. Browse to where your embroidery file is saved and click Open. Your pattern will be visible. Follow the instructions from your machine manufacturer to transfer the design to your embroidery machine.